What's up, six travelers? I'm from around the good world. Here, welcome back to another video. It's not a video about music, it's a travel video, don't worry, and it's about how to find everything you need when you're traveling. Okay, so let's suppose that you're traveling somewhere far away and you need to find where is the coolest thing to do in that area, or you want to just discover on your own off the beaten track. Where do you start? What do you do? So if you really want to acquire this hidden knowledge and possess the holy grail of travel, you need to go through a very long process of cleansing your soul through meditation and healing, or I can just tell you, just ask the locals. And seriously, that's everything you need to know. Local people will always be your friends and always will try to help you, and most of the times go even out of their way in order to help you with anything you need, everywhere you are, anywhere around the globe. Just ask nicely and don't be an asshole. It sounds a bit obvious or even naive to say that. I mean, who doesn't know that, right? Even though it's 100% true, the reality I've seen in the past 6 years that I was traveling around the world is that the majority of travelers do not have real and genuine engagements with local people at the places they visit. Most of them will just stay in the touristic areas and do the standard touristic attraction things without really having to know the actual culture and the people who live in that place. I know that because I was one of them, and I was thinking that people will make fun of me, or I was afraid to ask questions or to just talk with people and whatever else my stupid brain was thinking at the time. And the result was always the same. I would end up with the same people at the same places doing the same things. Until I fully realized that it was time to change something. And it was there, out of my comfort zone, when I discovered all these amazing local people who helped me in any way possible, from just showing me where the nearest or the cheapest market is, all the way up to host me in their own house for free. And you know what? I feel like the luckiest bastard in the world, because all these people now are not just people, are my friends. And I'm lucky because I have friends all around the world. If you would like to find yourself in that same position, then just start trusting local people on your journeys. They know the best places to eat, to hike, to explore, and to be amazed generally. And you are going to save so much money, so much time, and you will meet all these people. It's like a win-win-win situation. Mitchell, do you want to be in the video?
No.
Okay, so you are not. And that concludes of another 3-minute tips video. If that helps you even a tiny bit, just give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below telling your opinion about it, and if you know another way to find whatever you want when you travel. And of course, subscribe to this channel, as this actually helps me a lot to create more travel content. As always, thanks for watching, be well and travel more.